Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 MDX. The ACURA MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, this vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, privacy glass, integrated turn signal mirrors. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.